What is going on, Disney fam? So we are currently in the Skyliner and we're going to Hollywood Studios because we have a dinner reservation tonight at...
Ladies, gentlemen, and islanders of all ages, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
So yeah, just FYI, the Skyliner, why it's windy, is absolutely terrible.
Throughout his life and career, Walt
She
Disney
keeps
had a
interrupting me.
passion for animals and the natural world. Today,
We are going
we are
to
traveling to one of the
Roundup
many
BBQ.
protected wetlands here at Walt Disney World Resort. If you're lucky, you might spot some of the happiest wildlife on Earth.
So yeah, if you ever have a choice to ride these things in the wind, do not. Oh my goodness. I can't with this. But anyway, it's just me and Bug. We're going to Woody's Roundup BBQ. We're going to get all the barbecue fixings and the platters and all the desserts, and we're going to do a fantastic review. It's our first time going there, and we're going to have a blast. I can't wait. I also can't wait to get off this ride. We'll see you there. So we're in the Roundup Rodeo BBQ, and our waitress is actually phenomenal because I have a food allergy, so she was explaining to me all the food and what she could do and prepare it the way that I like it. So I'm gonna get the chicken and the salmon, but they do offer like smoked ribs, beef brisket, and so Bug's gonna try those and let you know what they taste like. But this place is awesome. So we're in Bo Peep's room, so it's got a picture or a thing of Bo Peep, which is right there, and then there's another room on the other side, which I didn't catch it when we walked in, but I'll show it to you before we leave. But it's really cool because they'll dim the lights out and you can hear Andy coming, and they make you stop like you're one of Andy's toys, which is really awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna take you through a tour here in a minute. That way you can see it. So far, loving this place. Love Toy Story. Any thoughts?
I like it. It's really cool.
What's your favorite part so far?
The theming, like how everything's themed and everything's like really big.
Yeah, let's show you the theming. So yeah, over there is like the other room. And I think it's like a Buzz Lightyear room because Zurg's over there. So Bug, what are you looking forward to the most?
Probably the chicken, the barbecue chicken.
Uh-oh, Andy's coming.
And now, folks, it's my pleasure to introduce the roughest chocolate wine in the West to the final. Yeah, who turned out the lights?
Rex broke it. So you said the chicken?
Yeah.
Let me show you the menu real quick. So we get some greens, some rootin' tootin' tomato salad and watermelon salad. Evil Dr. Pork chop ribs, buttercups beef brisket, sausage in my boot, the barbecue chicken with style. Now they do have a plant-based option, but I'm not really a big fan of plant-based stuff. I mean, some of it's okay, but if you like that route, go for it. I did get the salmon. I did suggest that because I love salmon. And then you get all these sides, which are all plant-based. And then for your desserts, which she did tell me the cheesecake. Okay, so I was cut off, but there's the desserts. So like I was saying, she was telling me this actually has pork in it. I don't know if it's some kind of pork byproduct that the cheesecake creates. Maybe it's I don't know. But she did tell me there's pork in it, and she told me not to, if I had a food allergy, not to get that one. So I went with the silk pie because that sounded delicious. So yeah, there's your menu. So our first entrees come out. That's the watermelon salad, and then you got the rootin' tootin' tomato salad next to it, and then you got the cheddar biscuits, which look phenomenal. And it came with actually a
Sweet pepper jelly.
sweet pepper jelly. That looks good. So we're gonna try that out. What do you think?
It's good.
You didn't even bite it yet. Touche. So yeah, let's try this out. All right, so first bites. Here's the watermelon. I don't know, it tastes like watermelon. I mean, it's good. It has kind of like a dill to it. So it's like dill or watermelon. I don't know. It's pretty good though. The cucumber salad or the tomato salad. They could just send that and I would eat that all day. Our waitress is like awesome. But yeah, tomato salad, fantastic. Just like mom used to make. Y'all, look at this food. Barrels, mac and cheese, slaw, the salmon, barbecue beans, chicken, the meat platter, all the meats, and the salted cheddar biscuits. Look at that face. She's ready to dig in. Look at that. Look at that. So good. So the pepper relish jelly for the biscuits. It's very good. It's not hot. It's a little sweet. They did bring me 3 pieces of salmon, so I'm going to devour those. The mac and cheese is actually really, really good. I'm waiting for Annie to come so I can show you like what happens when everybody sits still. It's hilarious. And of course you can't eat anything without the barrels. The barrels. What do you think, bud?
I don't know. I haven't tried it yet.
She's still like, look at this. Look at all that food. You can't even see our table. It don't make no sense. But what's really cool, if you look at the plates, they are like hard plastic, but it looks like paper plates, like you're at an outdoor barbecue. And they have 3 different spices here. So you got spices, sauces, 3 different sauces, spicy, classic, and sweet for all your barbecue needs. So we're gonna try them out in a minute. But I want some more of that tomato salad. That thing.
Well, partners, this here train's reached its final destination. Molly, you're gonna bust up the place then. Come on there, little lady.
Well done, cowboy.
That was awesome. What do you think, bud? So what's your favorite part?
The mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. I would have to agree with that. guys, I am so full from all this food. So full. It was delicious, though. Absolutely delicious. I would come back again for sure. Yeah, I don't even know how to describe it. It's good. The atmosphere is good. The staff is super friendly. Yeah, 9 out of 10. I was actually really scared to come here because I've seen so many bad reviews and people were so disappointed to come here, but I see nothing wrong with this restaurant. It's fun, it's entertaining, the food is good. Yeah, 9 out of 10. Perfect. All right, guys, so they cleared our tiny table and left us with these tiny desserts. It's like a shot glass of chocolate, which I'm okay with because I'm really, really full. So that is the chocolate silk. And then Bug got her a little fake paper plate with a forky cupcake. Because he's trash. So we're gonna try these little miniature desserts out. You first, Bug. She looks at me like I just told her to jump off a cliff into water.
Can't open it.
It's like a Christmas present. Just rip it open. Uh-oh.
Come in, Mother Bird. We have a yard sale in the forward territory. I repeat, the yard sale in the forward territory.
Yard sale? Guys, hold your horses. There's a yard sale. Slate roll call. You got it, buddy. Billy. Go.
All right, the first customer to approach in the driveway. Placing money in a jar for something. Call and yellow. It's a lemonade. We got a lemonade here.
A lemonade stand? That's not a yard sale.
Andy must be fundraising for a charity again.
Oh, how sweet.
That's fun. Did you get it yet?
No, I can't get
Bless her heart. Use the spoon, sweetie.
it. Your balloon is hot.
Is it good? What's it taste like?
A cupcake.
Cupcake? Well, that's good, because that's what you ordered. Is it like cookies and cream? That's what it looks like.
Graham cracker.
It's what?
Graham cracker.
Graham cracker. Alright, let's try mine out. There's a what?
There's a chocolate filling on the inside.
Nice. Good?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Chocolate silk. It tastes exactly like chocolate silk. It's good. It's actually the right size too, because I don't know that I can eat any more of what they gave me without feeling overflown. It's good though. You come back?
Yeah.
You would?
Yes.
I like this place. Another. So there's the Bo Peep room. And her 3 sheep, Billy Gruff, Okay. Zerg. This looks like Jesse's room, so maybe it wasn't a Buzz room. It's like Jesse's room. Really cool though. All right, guys, back in our room after a couple rides and walking through Hollywood Studios. Woody's Roundup Backyard Barbecue is very good. I would absolutely go again. In fact, we are going again in May. So I'm gonna take Sunshine, let her try it out. And so 9 out of 10. The only thing I didn't like out of the whole meal, which I didn't have the beef because I can't eat beef, but the beans were just okay. The waitress did tell me that there's like pieces in it. It looks like barbecue, but it's actually jackfruit, which nothing against jackfruit. I just didn't like the taste of the beans. Other than that, everything was phenomenal. The wait staff, the actual place, the food, fantastic, superb. So let me know your thoughts. But as always, love, peace, chicken grease.